Hi, welcome to my video series on setting up your YouTube channel. I'm Rosina Bignall and with rosinabignall.com, and I want to give you a short introduction to this video series. So first I want to tell you, talk about what a YouTube channel is and why you need it, and then we'll get off into the how to do it. So YouTube is very popular. In fact, it's the second largest search engine on the planet, right behind Google, who actually owns YouTube. So anybody who is looking for a video on any topic goes to YouTube, and YouTube videos show up on a lot of Google searches as well. So if you want to produce videos, YouTube is your place to do it. But you can't just go to YouTube and upload a video. To upload videos, you first need a channel. So you might wonder, what exactly is a YouTube channel? A channel is a member's personal presence on YouTube. It is similar in many ways to other social media sites. To have a YouTube channel, you first need a YouTube account. So what's the difference between a YouTube account and a YouTube channel? Well, a YouTube account lets you watch, share, and comment on YouTube content, but you can't create and organize content you create without a YouTube channel. A YouTube channel is part of your YouTube account. So you can have a YouTube account without having a YouTube channel, but you can't have a YouTube channel without having a YouTube account. So in this series, we're going to show you how to set up your first YouTube channel and upload your first video to it. So click on to the next video and let's get going.